Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be introducing you to Top 5 Favorite Dehumidifier of 2024. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Your opinions are highly valued.
Introducing the NineSky Dehumidifier, your solution for a healthy and moisture-free home. Removes up to 27 ounces of moisture from spaces up to 500 square feet. Auto shut-off function. Prevents overflows. 5 colorful LED lights create a cozy atmosphere. Compact size and built-in handle for easy portability. Large 70 ounces transparent water tank for convenient monitoring and easy cleaning. Maintains optimal humidity levels between 48% 60%. Perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, basements, and closets. Don't let moisture ruin your home. Choose the NineSky Dehumidifier today for a refreshing living space.
Introducing the Midea Cube Dehumidifier, a revolutionary solution for combating humidity in homes up to 3,500 square feet. With its powerful 35-pint water collection capacity, this dehumidifier effectively eliminates excess moisture, creating a comfortable and dry environment. Adjust the humidity level between 35% and 85% for optimal comfort. Featuring flexible draining options, this dehumidifier offers 3 ways to remove water: fill level, continuous drainage, or pump mode. The 3 times larger bucket holds more water than traditional models, while the handles facilitate easy emptying. Control your dehumidifier effortlessly through the Midea Q Air app or voice commands via Alexa. Monitor humidity, water level, and adjust settings from anywhere. Stay in control with the intuitive keypad and timer that allows you to schedule operation for up to 24 hours. The auto restart and auto defrost functions ensure uninterrupted performance and protection. Experience unparalleled flexibility with the lift and twist design that allows for extended or nested operation. When extended, it provides maximum water tank capacity, while in nested mode, it offers compact storage and easy draining. Multi-directional air intake combined with 3 fan speeds guarantees efficient and discreet dehumidification. The Midea Cube Dehumidifier is an Energy Star-rated appliance that delivers powerful moisture removal with minimal energy consumption.
Introducing the TABYIK 35 Oz small dehumidifiers. Tired of that muggy weather? These dehumidifiers are perfect for small rooms. With energy consumption of less than 1 kilowatt-hour a day, they can collect up to 16 ounces, 450 milliliters of water in 24 hours. Not only are they efficient, but they also come with colorful mood lighting to create a cozy atmosphere. The operation noise is a whisper quiet 28 dB. The 1,000 milliliters, 35 ounces transparent tank makes it easy to see how much water it's collected, and the built-in handle makes it portable. These dehumidifiers have an auto shut-off for when the tank is full and a large groove so you can easily take it out and clean it. Order your TABYIK 35 Oz small dehumidifier today and breathe easy. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER 1500 SQ. Fort Dehumidifier, your solution for ultimate moisture control. This powerhouse dehumidifier extracts a remarkable 22 pints of water daily, effectively reducing humidity levels in spaces up to 2,500 SQ. For its energy-saving features, including Energy Star certification and R4 a refrigerant, ensure eco-friendly operation. With a spacious 6.34-pint tank, a water level indicator, and automatic shut-off, this dehumidifier ensures effortless use. It also boasts an easy-to-clean filter for continuous operation. Enjoy the convenience of its electronic control panel, adjustable humidistat, and auto restart and defrost functions. Its low noise operation and multiple fan speed options provide a comfortable and quiet environment. Trust the BLACK+DECKER 1500 SQ. Fort Dehumidifier to create a healthy and moisture-free haven in your home. Introducing our top-rated dehumidifiers for home. Our ultra-quiet, energy-saving dehumidifiers for bedroom use advanced Peltier technology to reduce noise to less than 35 decibels without compromising dehumidification efficiency. Equipped with a 25 ounces large water tank, it can absorb up to 16 ounces of water daily in humid environments. The auto-off function and flashing red light alert ensure safety by automatically stopping operation when the tank is full. Its compact size makes it perfect for any corner of your home. Plus, it's energy efficient, using only 0.96 kilowatts of electricity after running for 24 hours. Order now and enjoy a comfortable, dry environment at home.